Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says solve the inequality this. So, look at this inequality. It contains log on one side and constant on other side. So, we guys are comfortable in if both side we are having same function. So, what I will do, I will try to convert 0 into log function. So, first write down the question. Log 5x minus 1 base is 1 by 3. Now, do you know any value of log for which log produces 0? Yes, it is 1. And to create this question much more convenient, I'll take base as 1 by 3. Okay, so this is our function. Now what we have to do, first we have to define the log. You know that log a to the base b is a number when raised on b produces a for all a and b to be greater than 0 and b cannot be equal to 1. So if you'll observe the b now, we don't have problem with b. We have problem with argument only. Correct? So focus on argument. You can ignore b for this question because it's a constant number and it is positive, it is not equal to 1. So it is okay. It is true everywhere. So argument should be what? Positive. Means, can I plot them on the number line? So it is 1 by 5 plus minus. Okay. Now, you know that you have to consider positive room. So x belongs to what? X belongs to 1 by 5 to infinity. No, no. So this is your domain. Now what we have to do? We will take care of logarithmic inequality. Okay. Now look at this. If you will observe the base of the log, it is coming out to be smaller than 1, means it is decreasing function. So you know that if we will apply or remove decreasing function, the sign of inequality changes. So what I am trying to do, I will remove this log function. So sign of inequality will change. So we will remove log base 1 by 3. So it is 5x minus 1 less than 1. So everything on one side. So it is 5x minus 2 less than 0. Now again plot them on the number line. So it is 2 by 5 plus minus. And we have to consider, this time we have to consider negative rooms. Correct now? So x belongs to 2 by, sorry, minus infinity to 2 by 5. No, no. So this is what we got by solving inequality, and this is what we got by solving domain. So now we have to write down the final answer. So for final answer, we have to take care of intersection. So it is required x belongs to. First look at the, like, for intersection what we will do, we will plot everything on the same number line. So it is 1 by 5. So it is 1 by 5. Second root is 2 by 5. So if you'll observe the first domain, first yellow thing, it goes this way. If you'll observe the blue thing, you will have this thing. Correct? And you have to consider intersection. So there are 3 rooms. Now you will consider, for intersection you will consider only those room in which both person stays. So do you think it is the room? No, it is the room in which only one person stays, that is blue. Do you think it is the room? Yes, it is the room in which both yellow and blue person stays. So we will consider this room. So it is 1 by 5 to 2 by 5, both no. Now both no because both side are having open bracket. Okay. Now do you think we should consider this room? No. In this room only yellow thing presents. So the required value of x is this. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.